Hey guys, so we are back. Hey Rose, hey bud. So guys, I just wanted to give you a update of the plants with the ElectroCulture. So as you can see, there is a lot of new growth. A lot of new growth there. We even have some of these nodes that are coming in right there. You can see them, they are all over, man. We got like a bunch of these. We're not there before, but we'll keep going. Let's take a look at the second one. As you guys remember, this one right here had some leaves that was really badly damaged, like right there. But you can go back and take a look at the old footage, and you can see that this plant has gotten much better. And it also has some nodes too, guys. So let's take a look at these. Look at those guys. See right there, all these nodes, those are potential figs. Yeah. And I've never gotten anything like this, and I've had this tree for a year. So is it working, guys? I don't know. I'll let you be the judge. Let's go and check on the crepe myrtles, right? Now, as you can see, this guy right here is really popping up. We even have a second and a third stalk that is growing. Right? It's growing right there. And looks to be doing pretty good. Looks to be doing pretty good. So let's check out the center one here. This guy right here has always been pretty good, but it's getting even better. All right. On our way to the third one. And it's looking even better. Now, this center part right here, guys, I do believe my dogs were peeing on it, and so that's why that center is like that. But we put this little twine around it to stop them from peeing on it. And then we put the cage around it too. So, now you've seen it. You guys can guess for yourself and look at the old videos and see whether or not you think that this ElectroCulture is working. But it's been 3 days, and guys, there's been a lot of growth, a lot of improvement to the plants, and you know, I'm excited. So I'm keep taking you guys on this journey of our ElectroCulture, and when you come back, it'll probably be about a week, and we'll take a look and see what progress do we have now. So guys, I appreciate you stopping by, and you could have been anywhere in the world, but you decided to spend some time with me, and so we really appreciate it. So if you like this, you get value, subscribe. We appreciate it. So guys, until then, we'll talk to you next time, and I'll leave you with this.